Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome. आज की इस class में we're going to cover a very basic yet absolutely crucial part of Arabic grammar. So just relax, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Right, let's dive straight in. Medina Book 1, Lesson 3. आज का हमारा topic है question words. You know, when you're learning Arabic, asking questions is literally the very first step, isn't it? How do you ask what something is, or how do you ask who someone is? Specifically, हम दो बहुत अहम लफ्ज़ पर focus करेंगे आज. Ma and man.
So what exactly are we mastering today? Well, we're going to learn how to ask simple, fundamental questions in Arabic. We'll be looking closely at two critical question words. Ma, जिसका मतलब है what या क्या, and man, जिसका मतलब है who या कौन. The concept is actually really simple. बस थोड़ी सी तवज्जा चाहिए आपकी.
Section 1. Using ma for asking about objects and things. Okay, let's look at our first question word, ma. I want you to listen carefully and say it with me. Ma. It simply means what. Now, here's the golden rule you need to remember. Ma सिर्फ और सिर्फ चीज़ों या objects के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. It is strictly used for non-living things. The pattern is super easy. आप बस ma लगाते हैं और उसके बाद एक demonstrative pronoun लगा देते हैं like hada. Simple, right?
Let's see this in action. Look at our first example. Ma hada. What is this? ये क्या है? And look at the answer. Hada kitabun. This is a book. A book is an object, एक चीज़ है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ ma use किया. Now look at the second example. Ma dalika. What is that? वो क्या है? And the answer is dalika baitun. That is a house. Again, a house is a non-living thing. So the rule is perfectly clear. For objects, we always use ma.
Moving right along to Section 2, using man for asking about people. Now let's look at our second question word. Take a gentle pause and listen to the pronunciation. Man. This means who ya gone. As you can see, this word is dedicated strictly to human beings. इंसान के बारे में पूछने के लिए. The sentence pattern is exactly the same as before, man followed by a word like ada, but the application completely shifts. आपने चीज़ों and इंसानों को mix नहीं करना.
Let's clear this up with some examples. Look at example 1. Man hada. Who is this? ये कौन है? The answer is hada mudarrisan. This is a teacher. Since a teacher is a person, एक इंसान है, हमने यहाँ ma नहीं use किया. We used man. Now, example 2. Man dalika. Who is that? वो कौन है? Dalika talibun. That is a student. A student is also a person. Concept bilkul asan है. You just have to be mindful of who or what you are actually talking about.
Section 3. The difference between them. A quick comparison of ma and man. Let's put them side by side to really solidify this. On one side, we have ma, meaning what, used exclusively for things or objects. On the other side, we have men, meaning who, used exclusively for people. Now, listen carefully because here is a very common mistake students make. Log अक्सर इंसानों के लिए भी ma बोल देते हैं. For example, pointing to a person and saying, ma hada. No, that is grammatically incorrect. Remember, ma equals what, which points to a thing. Men equals who, which points to a person. Unko alag-alag rakhein. Keep them separate. Let's calmly review our key points to remember. ये आज के पूरे lesson का निचोड़ है. Number 1, ma means what. Number 2, man means who. Number 3, use ma for things. Number 4, use man for people. And finally, here's a pro tip for your spoken Arabic. Your answer should always be a simple, complete Arabic sentence. जब आपसे कोई सवाल पूछे, don't just give a one-word answer. Say the whole sentence, like, hada kitabun. Trust me, it makes you sound so much more natural and fluent. Section 4. Let us practice together. Let's test your knowledge. All right, it's time to put what you've learned to the test. Here are 4 practice questions. मैं इन्हें एक बार आहिस्ता से पढ़ती हूँ. Number 1, ma hada. Number 2, ma dhalika. Number 3, man hada. And number 4, man dhalika. I want you to pause right here. Thoda sochiye. Try to form your own answers using the Arabic words you already know. Remember the rule. चीज़ों के लिए चीज़ों वाला जवाब और इंसानों के लिए इंसानों वाला जवाब. Take your time. Think it through and form full sentences. Okay, before we wrap up today's class, here's your homework. To truly master these basics, आपको practice jari रखनी होगी. First, I want you to make 5 questions using ma and write down their full answers. Then, make 5 questions using man and write those answers too. Finally, read and revise all the examples we covered today. ये छोटा सा homework आपकी Arabic foundation को बहुत strong कर देगा. I am so incredibly proud of your focus today. Before I sign off, मैं आपसे एक आखिरी सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. Using your brand new Arabic skills, who or what are you going to ask about first? Think about it. Keep practicing, stay curious, and Allah Hafiz.